before Christ. Before Egypt and mummies, the kingdom of Ayodhya existed and was purported birthplace of Rama, hero of epic poem of Ramayana. Our planet's most ancient civilizations flourished in India. Once described as a city built by gods and as prosperous as paradise. Did the city had a king named Rama? And was this the same figure celebrated in legends? Mathura, a holy place for all Hindus. It was in this city Krishna was said to have been born. According to Mahabharata, India's most revered war epic, Kurukshetra is the place where Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita, Bible of India, to his warrior friend and pupil Arjuna while in the midst of battle. Recently, archaeological excavations have unearthed iron arrows, spearheads, and other war paraphernalia from Kurukshetra battlefield site. A 160 feet bas relief from the temple complex of Angkor Wat, Cambodia, depicts the Battle of Kurukshetra. Archaeologists have recently discovered at least 6 layers of ancient cities under present-day Dwaraka, and an entire city under 60 to 80 feet of water just off the coast. Moving forward in time, the Indus Valley civilization thrived during the same time period. Ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Crete, rivaling their sophistication. The Ganges, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers all figure prominently in ancient Indus text, and the place they all meet is considered holy. However, there has been no trace of the Saraswati waterway in modern times. So scientists dismissed the river as a myth until recently. Now, thanks to satellite imaging, a dry riverbed has been found, and intriguing evidence suggests that there may be lost cities along the shores. Next, we will visit 3 of Buddhism's holiest sites: Lumbini, where Buddha was born as Siddhartha Gautama; Bodh Gaya, the place he reached enlightenment; and Kushinagar, where he died. Finally, we will journey through Magadha, the cradle of 2 world religions, Buddhism and Jainism. It was reckoned as the hub of Golden Age, where India saw great advancements in science, astronomy, mathematics, religion, and philosophy. Magadha reached its full flowering under the king Ashoka, a fierce warrior who renounced violence after the Battle of Kalinga and became a practicing Buddhist. The lost cities of India have been found.